Hi, I'm Mike the Diecaster. So in front of you, here's a mini GT, scale 164, and this is a McLaren Senna, white Hong Kong exclusive. So it's released on Hong Kong exclusive event, and this is a code number is 19, and in the top of the box is a McLaren Senna, is the logo of the Senna, and here's a TSM model scale miniature because mini GT is a part of TSM model. And as you can see, you can see the diecast in the acrylic right here, and it's a blank. In the back of the box you can see the artwork of the car, and it's a McLaren Senna, manufactured under a license from McLaren Automotive Limited. The McLaren name and logo are registered trademark of McLaren. Senna is the registered trademark of Ayrton Senna and many more. So Ayrton Senna is a name of the legendary F1 driver. So, and this model is taking the name from Ayrton Senna. So in the bottom of the box you can see the warning for cooking hazard is a X14 plus because it is a collector model. And here's a sosmed minigt.hk, minigt.com, true scale model, and is the description. You can see McLaren Senna, white rack and drive, HK exclusive, and it's a air is rack and drive, so it's a rack and drive. So without any further, let's open it. Okay. So the box is a little different from the other box because it's a Hong Kong exclusive, guys. Okay, so we can open it from top or from the bottom. So I picked the bottom, I think. Okay. It's a hard one, just like that, and you can pull it the acrylic case. You get acrylic case for this model, like this. Okay, it's a acrylic case like this, and if you have another case like this, you can put it in here, so it's stack up from bottom to up. Okay, sorry for my bad English, at least I try. So let's open it just like that, and you have the car like this, like this. Okay, you can pull the car out, and we will start the review now. So this is the rims. It's a black, and in the center you can see the McLaren logo in here, and the rubber, it's good detail on it, and you can see a mirror, or you can see the inside of the interior from here. It's like a same same material for with the window, and it's transparent. And the side mirror, it's so good. It's a detail. You can see the reflection. They painted gray, and is a material same as the car, so it's a diecast too. And we go to the front of the car. Here's a logo McLaren here, and the headlight is ABS plastic, and you have a turn light is a gray one, and here's a blue detailing on the under the headlight. I don't know what is that. So it's a white one, and as you can see the hood so very detailed, and the interior too. And they add a wiper here, it's so good. And the top of the car, you can see the hood here, hood, and it's a plastic, I think. So in this side, nothing is different from the other side. So we go to back of the car. There's a exhaust. It's a 3 exhaust there, so detail. And you can see the spoiler. It's a high spoiler right here, and it's a plastic here, bro. It's a plastic. And from the back of the car, there's no tail light detail. It's different from the Senna from Tarmac X Mini GTX Semi. They have tail light detail in here, and license plate Semi in here. So it's different with the Semi is on there. And as you can see, it's a diffuser here, so detail. And the bottom of the car, you can see a flat detail of under the car. So it's just a Mini GT logo made in China, and McLaren Senna, and 2 screw front and back for you to change your wheel if you want it. So just like that, review of Mini GT McLaren Senna. If you like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I like this car, so sharp. It's a sharp looks, and the aerodynamic is good. The weight on it is good too, and you can roll the wheels, so you can play with it. The color white on this McLaren so match, and the interior is good too. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on next video. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya.